They are quite happy with everything we have in here. They have no complaints at all. Obviously, the police can't act anyway until a member of the public makes a complaint, because there is no definition of what pornography is. But I assure you there's nothing pornographic in here whatsoever.
Apart from the boys in blue, though, what sort of legal and planning, safeguards and checks have you gone through in advance of today?
Well, we have spent a month with solicitors. We have given them a preview of all the products that we sell in here. We have asked them to vet completely everything we're selling, which they have done. They have advised us that there is nothing that we are selling here that cannot be sold here. The only thing that you're not allowed to do in this type of business is display anything in a shop window, apart from contraceptive itself, you know.
At the same time, though, inevitably there are going to be protests, possibly questions in council. How geared are you to this? What instructions do you have?
It just depends what the objection is to. Most objections, I would imagine, would come from outside, from people who've never been into one of these shops. They don't even know what the shop is here for, what purpose it has.
Apart from laying the groundwork legally and planning-wise very carefully, you also seem to have laid it very quietly. Do you think this is a little dishonest, not letting the public think about it in Cardiff before you opened this place?
Well, the reason for doing that was because we just want to be another shop. You know, this is a shop here. It's nothing special. It's a sex-aid shop, the same as any other shop. It could be a ladies' dress shop, it could be a chemist. You know, this is just another shop. Why, you know, why all the big hoo-ha?
You hope it will be a profitable shop. Just how profitable could it be in Cardiff?
It could be extremely profitable if it's utilised properly. We know from mail order that the people in Cardiff need a shop like this, and if they use it, as we hope they will, then obviously it will be a profitable business.
The customers I've noted, you've seen more than I have obviously, but they seem a little bit puzzled, rather giggly. What sort of people have been coming to you?
All types of people. Intelligent, educated people, some that aren't so intelligent. They've asked us a few questions about the products, because obviously this is all new to them. You know, a lot of them have never seen any of this merchandise before. You know, so there are bound to be a lot of curiosity, a lot of questions, which you have to expect with this type of shop.
Finally, don't you think it's rather sad that places like this are needed at all?
I don't say sad. People or publicity companies, newspapers have been pushing the permissive society for a long time, which I don't think really exists. I think just to have something like this isn't sad. I think it's needed. There's nothing sad about it. It's needed, you know. Sex is an everyday occurrence. Whether people accept that fact or not, it is.